Are you new to trading options? Are you overwhelmed with all the information out there and not quite sure where to start? Would you like a step-by-step educational training experience that simplifies options and allows you to learn at your own pace? If this is you, then our Options Foundation crash course is exactly what you need. With over 67 video lessons and a full 14 hours of exclusive training material, you have live trading examples, interactive content, unlimited access worldwide, whether you're on your mobile phone, your tablet, your desktop, or your laptop. You have access to the Options Foundation crash course wherever you go. Now, here's what you're going to get. We'll start off with and make sure that you have a strong foundation in trading options and why the pros invest in options over stocks. You'll get comfortable with strategies that involve buying and selling puts and calls, understanding risk management and your break-even points. We'll get into the do's and don'ts of fundamental and technical analysis so that you make the right decision every time. The UIS Options Foundation crash course is the most simple and comprehensive options trading course on the market today. It has everything you need as a beginner to start executing high-potential option trades. Getting started is easy. Click the link below and you'll get lifetime access to start your options trading journey now.